Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today I'm going to be doing a mail call. I've received this in the post. It's one of those Instagram competitions where you like and tag someone in. The people who are running it are Locarbecue, and the prize is from Angus and Oink, and I know it's from Angus and Oink. It's on the return address label. So we'll get it opened up and see what's inside. So, let's have a look. So first off, we've got 3 recipe cards. The first one is skirt steak fajitas. The second one is tandoori chicken dal. And the third one is empora kung pao pork. We'll be doing them. We'll get these cooked up and we'll get some videos made. Secondly, we know it's from Angus and Oink because we've got some Haribo sweets. Right, we've got 4 tubs of rub. The first one is rub me garlic butter rub. The second one is a Chinese takeaway salt pepper chili rub. The third one is the General, which is Texas barbecue seasoning and rub. The General. So we can see these. And the fourth one is tandoori tikka gold. What else we've got in here? So we've also got a Thai sweet chili sauce, Tallinger style. So we'll be using that. So I think we've got everything here we need to make for these recipes. And also, last but not least, we've got an Angus and Oink sticker. This will be going on my cook box that travels all over the place when we do tailgates. Once again, thanks Angus and Oink and Locarbecue. I'll put links in below so you can go and visit these people. Stay safe.